Kensin, and then GPSFC by Summer Music Promotion. It's coming. Kindly like Summer Music Promotion. Subscribe on the Manyangati, Melanzella Manyangati to Komisan Suku Balo, and then so for more updates, Melan GPSFC.
Yasuga, Yasuga, yeah, Yasuga, oh, Yasuga, 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 yeah, Yasuga, oh, Yasuga, yeah, Yasuga.
Action. It's like I need repair. Share this video, me wona nkarmuni mirikuini mkhame endlayini so la mina ngakoses inzenga okahle so loko mina se subscribe nikombela mi subscribe ishikombelo loko mi subscribe yini Kensin kuba mi subscribe yini indlela leyo so subscribe ka this channel mi subscribe le ka tin'wana leti mi talking about content leyi nga ko le ya mtsakisa and everything. If there is something we are doing wrong according to you, kindly reach out to us. I don't feel like year and year you are doing it right. So namkhaya bula hi na Vatsonga and Vatsonga entertainment at large. This is more like a family gathering, family meeting. If you're not Tsonga but you have subscribed to this channel, I'll try by all means necessary to accommodate you from today moving forward. So namhlanje bayapula hi na Vatsonga ya swikota ku seketela ti artist ta hina kumbe anything lexi tiswaku ka hina na. Are we able to support? Ku nga va ku ri story, ku nga va ku ri tinsimu, ku nga va ku ri anything, just any content leyi ta ku ka rixaka. A swikota ku ka hima hi ku ya okay, we accept this. And then we are happy to have this. If it's an artist by the name of XYZ, are we able to accept XYZ? Okay, this is our new artist or this is our artist, and then kan karwa sweswi yi le ku tirheni yi endla kahle kumbe xani yi yimela leswa swa ku okay artist XYZ yi fanele yi rhanga ya jika hi kwini na ku nge tshama ku ya artist ya Mutsonga swi nga endla ku ni vula artist yin'wana. Okay, if I need a jika Kandinda, even then that's where you're going to say yes, this is one of us. Ya swikota ku seketela artist ta hina kumbe ya swikota ku seketela vanhu lava taka ka hina va ri Vatsonga hi ku tirhisa Xitsonga na. Loko a maheteleleni ya siku loko munhu o fika okay maybe hi le ka TV or something lexi nga na audience leyikulu after I'm available Xitsonga, majority will complain why I'm not tirhisanga Xitsonga, but maka iko ya va supporta na, are they able to eat through us now? If nhlamulo ya wena iku why va nga koti ku dya through hina? If nhlamulo ya wena ina va swi kota ku dya through hina, which means where if famba ka right track swi kahle ku khomisa sweswo hi ndlela yeleyo. Leswi why ndzi vulavula hi mhaka leyi na eko hina ti artist ta hina Vatsonga. Mina I'm that one person now loko munhu over artist ni stock this is artist le XYZ imbela hi Xitsonga and then jiki hi loyi se wa tekamakama imbela hi Xinghezi. I tend to complain somehow somewhere kumbe xani loyi se ni wa tekamakama ita hi ririmi rin'wana na complain about at the end of the day the country say oh okay kambe this thing create a content, it's all about audience. I'm gonna create content create maybe 1 2 3 wa one then if I ever now it's like last year go in audience stay cool. So if you know it's ku va nyika audience hinkwavo va ta hi hlanta va tsutsumela ka tinxaka letin'wana hi sarisa sweswi ku nga ha ri na vanhu vo hi nyanyula. If the story loko swi humile if it's online stream online, if it had copy as kona online, but however I would encourage like lava creator swilo ku swi va swi ri koho online. Hi nga va na deal with a certain someone used to work okay the likes of woman like Gingirikani, he has a huge audience on his YouTube channel. Womanyangati, DJ Brian, Given Libya, Womafosi, Konachiwanson Makamu. If you don't feel like creating yours, you can just go there and ask was distributor on your behalf. and then if someone else upload your things without your permission, lava va nga upload that first va nga kota ku take down since we ever making the right and everything in the matter. So I remain kwala. If you're going to read something, put it online because it was simple for man ukota ku seketela. And then let me not shift from my main focus. I will maka support seketelo lo suka ka hina we ka vanhu lava va create content for hina wu enough na xivutiso n'wana n'wana ta tihlamulela. If you feel like it's enough, then it's fine. If you don't feel like you're not doing enough, then you have to do something, because at the end of the day these guys, they must eat from their work. Kumbe we itiva artist leyi nga yimaku a xikarhi ka vanhu kumbe somewhere yi vula ku mina okay ni Mutsonga and then I'm using Xitsonga to do my content, and then my people want support. I eat through this. If you know one, kindly leave their name in the comments section. But it was like, let's support these guys. Let's give them support through and through. And then if they're not doing something right or something that you feel like they can do better, kindly reach out to them. I feel like that, but you could have done better. Hence, I'm coming one a kai, Bisana and Simutawan, Ulaka, Svara Upini, Svara Pini, this aid. A little bring it and Gakulungi, Samakakulumba, on, and Nemashak. So I say get lava, create up content. So, and then Sean Shako, gonna this new other new channel, it's called Learn Life with Learn. Subscribe, Banda, I'm Tsonga. But content it might come in different languages. That depends on who is there, when. So you can see, and then GPSFC by Song Music Promotion, it's coming. Kindly like Song Music Promotion. Subscribe on the Manyangati, Melanzela Manyangati to Komisan Sukubalo, and then so for more updates, GPSFC can see one more this video and go more. From the same subscribe bin. Bye bye.